Pisces, this is Star with Ariana Stark. This is your forecast for the month of March 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall reading, and I'm also using some oracle decks. Besides, I'm also being called upon to use playing cards for some additional messages this month. Towards the final days of February, stepping into March, we have Three of Pentacles. It's quite likely that in this period you were the sounding board for others. Though you also had to deal with bias, whether on the home front or on your professional life. Incidentally, many of you had made some minor gains. Perhaps you were collaborating with others as well, and this had paid dividends. Obstacles to overcome this month, we have the Knight of Wands. Certainly, Pisces, you're being called upon to be more adventurous in your outlook if you want to make those gains or you want to move forward or proceed in life. Communication is also going to increase, but you may be distracted a bit. That is why maybe your colleagues or your superior may ask you to focus a wee bit more. I think Pisces, you have to be prepared for the changes that this month is going to bring in. Maybe there'll also be movement or travel. Sometimes you may also have to attend to pressing matters. Perhaps you have to keep aside whatever you're doing and focus on whatever is required. Basically, you have to prioritize if you want to make those gains. Opportunities and surprises are also quite likely this month. Maybe there could be some offers on account of your connections with your family members or also on account of your acquaintances. There could also be a sense of calm in this month. Influences for the month, we have the card Four of Wands. In all likelihood, it's going to be a productive month. Besides, I'm also picking up that tasks will be done one after the other. Like I said, pleasant surprises are in store for you. Maybe you could also impress your superior or your boss on account of your output or your ability to be ahead of the pack. I think you're also coming across as someone who is quite creative. You are somebody who is way ahead of the other colleagues. That is why you may find that your colleagues or co-workers may ape your ideas. Thankfully, your boss understands that it's you who is creative and that you have those ingenious ideas while they are simply aping you. The pressure of work could also be there for you. Maybe you're also dealing with colleagues who are unruly. There'll also be those jealous colleagues as well. So I think you should guard against envy. Home improvements are also quite likely. Maybe you will also focus on spiritual cleansing this month. Largely, I think your personal allure will be at its peak and you will be noticed by all and sundry. The first 10 days of March, we have the Death card. I think you should avoid misunderstandings in this period. Maybe your words are being misinterpreted. Again, change is quite likely in this period. So maybe you should not resist the change because it could create havoc in your life. You'll have to focus on pressing matters. So maybe you will keep aside or you will prioritize in these days. You can expect gains, but maybe your expectations could not be met. Something is better than nothing. You will also give a piece of your mind to those who are ungrateful or those who always expect you to come to their aid. Also be dealing with a rival who could be up to some mischief. That is why you will have a heart-to-heart talk with the management or the administrator. Maybe the timely intervention from the management can be expected in the first 10 days, and this could work in your favor. 11th to 20th March, we have the Three of Swords. It's quite likely that you could be suffering from ill health in this period. Some kind of separation is also quite likely, or an estrangement in a relationship is there on the cards for Pisces this month. Nonetheless, this is also the time when you will find that you'll have to be up and about. Maybe it's going to be a very hectic period for you. Ideally, I think Pisces, you should avoid temperamental behavior or you should do some aura cleansing. Like I said, spiritual cleansing could help you a great deal. Sometimes we don't get what we desire or what our heart desires, but then there are other gains which you should look forward to and you should be thankful for the same. The presence of mind is also something which will work to your advantage because we definitely have the Swords card here. So the Swords talks about the air signs. Maybe you're dealing with them as well. For 21st to 31st March, we have the card Seven of Pentacles. In this time, you will be planning about the future. I think you should also ask for a hike, or in case you're dealing with clients, I think you should ask for a higher pay. Maybe if you're even going for an employment opportunity, then you should quote a higher price. Many of you could also be investing in gadgets in this period, but sometimes, when we make those purchases, we could end up paying more. So be mindful of that, Pisces. Other than that, I'm also picking up that you're going to do the groundwork for the future. Maybe your acquaintance could also introduce you to somebody who could bring in an employment opportunity for you. You're also going to be quite blunt with clients who always take undue advantage of you. Perhaps they always want you to make allowances for them. Largely, financial gains are quite likely, even if you have invested in the share market or in the stock exchange, or you have invested in mutual funds, then you can expect some good news in the mail. Many Pisces will also be looking for missing objects this month. From the playing cards, we have the card 3 of Spades. This is interesting because we did have the 3 of Swords in this reading. So certainly, Pisces, you should guard against ill health. You may realize that your relationship is done and dusted. Some kind of separation is also there for many Pisces. We also have the 4 of Clubs, which is the same as the 4 of Wands. So this reading is certainly corroborating what has been said earlier. Home improvements are also quite likely. The energy flow will be such that you'll be quite productive. So that is why I think it is best that you complete your tasks one after the other. With respect to your love life, I have the card, I know I screwed things up and honestly have no idea how to fix it. Perhaps you or the person whom you're dealing with realizes his mistake. The tinge of sadness is also there. Maybe the regret is also there about how things transpired between the two of you. Single Pisces, I think your suitors will vie for your attention, but you may be disinterested in them. Maybe you're also longing for your past love, or you're remembering that person a great deal more. You may still have feelings for that person. Incidentally, Pisces, you can also expect unwanted attention coming your way from the opposite sex. So be mindful of that. Maybe you may also move away from certain suitors because you don't want to string anyone along. In case you're in an on-again, off-again relationship, I think the chances of this person renewing contact with you is high, especially between 11th to 20th March. Maybe you could be surprised to hear from this person. He will realize that he had made a mistake in the past, and this could leave you completely overwhelmed. On the other hand, those of you in a third-party situation, I think you desire commitment from your person. Maybe you have planned to meet up and you have a date night ahead of you, but then he could say that work has come up. So maybe you will think that this person is making excuses, or he doesn't want you around. Romancing Pisces, I think you'll be confused. Maybe your lover isn't as demonstrative as you would have liked. Sometimes, there could be a flurry of messages, but then at other times, there could be a distance between the two of you. Nonetheless, I think your lover is someone who could reaffirm his feelings for you. There will also be those days when you will be discussing work-related strategies with each other. Maybe you could also read extracts from books to each other. Married Pisces, I think you'll be a bit exasperated that your spouse conceals things from you. Maybe you're also feeling ignored in the relationship. There could also be those days when you feel that you're being made the scapegoat, or that you're being blamed for no rhyme or reason. In case you're in an unhappy relationship, then you should avoid arguments. Maybe you may accuse your spouse, or even you could be accused of being too generous towards a member of the opposite sex. So unfaithfulness could be an issue here. Lastly, we have the card Builder. Possibly Pisces, you have the brains, or you are interested in architecture, you want to build something. You're doing the groundwork for whatever you're planning for the future, because we did have 7 of Pentacles. We also had 4 of Wands in your reading. So certainly you're building things up, and this is going to help in the future, or this could pay dividends in the future. Many of you may also be focusing on building your body. The physical activities is quite likely for many Pisces this month. I think you should do what your soul desires. So in case you're interested in engineering work or in architecture, then you should read up on it as well. I hope Pisces, you liked your reading. This is Char with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. We also have the weekly love reading which is published every week. Have a look at that as well to get greater insight into your love life. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye. Till the next time.